What did we do tonight? We fired up the propane forge. Hey YouTube, what are we doing today? Well, we're gonna mess with our forge a little bit. I came out last night and I recorded a little bit. I fired up the forge for the first time since we put the doors on it. And, well, I'm not, I'm not unhappy. I'm just not real jazzed by it yet. I think I don't like, I never thought that this would be a problem, but the problem, what I hate the most about the propane is it's just so noisy. So, I'm gonna have to live with it for a while anyway, but one of the problems that we're gonna fix, all right, so the doors, you can see they collide way back here long before it's shut. So I've got a good, I don't know, good inch all the way at the end there. Both of them are the same way. What I had done was when I welded these, I just kind of stuck them up there and welded them, and I didn't really take into consideration that the kale wool would be proud of the inside of this, which is dumb on my part because I knew it was thicker than, anyway, I should have planned better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these doors off. I'm going to cut these welds loose here, and then I'm going to realign. I'm going to set the hinge back in place, and then we're going to realign this so that the door will be closed a little better. You know, it'll be a little bit more parallel and stuff to the face of the forge opening. And hopefully close off a little better. Also, while it was running yesterday, I fired it up. I ran it for a while. I didn't really do much. I stuck a railroad spike in there and made it glow. But another problem I had was this burner. I had a flame come up in here like maybe there's a propane leak. So I'm going to take a good look at this burner. It might just be I suspect it's probably just a loose fitting here, so I just snug that up. But yeah, I'm just going to do a couple of little things and fire back up. Cover the footage we did yesterday, and then we'll pick up what we're doing now. And so anyway, let's get started. Let me say that again. Let's get started. Well, that's it for this video. Yeah, it works pretty good. I'm not 100% sold on it yet. I think, honestly, I think I like my charcoal better. But that's mostly because I just don't know if I don't know if I can live with that constant roaring noise. But yeah, so the doors, you know, they close up a lot better than they did, both sides. I raised them, so now I've got, I don't know, about an inch, maybe an inch and a half gap for it to breathe. The first two items that I heated up were I heated up that railroad spike and then that little rivet, that little leftover rivet, half-inch rivet. I just was running, when I did those, I just did the one burner. And, you know, I think this thing's supposed to, I think the burners are supposed to put out to where they'll get to forging temperature, so, which basically means they got to get to where it'll melt steel. I didn't see that. Didn't look like it was going to get that hot. Maybe some more fiddling around, playing with gaps and, you know, breathing and getting more fuel through it. Don't know. When you run both burners, it heats up, it gets even hotter, and it heats up the, you know, nice long sections. That's kind of nice. I'm torn at this point. I see benefits to it, and I still see benefits to the coal and charcoal, solid fuel. But we're going to play with it, and we're going to try it, and I'm going to see what I think over the long run, over the long haul. And anyway, I think that's it for tonight. So, as always, if you like the video, give it a like. Comment if you have a comment to make, and subscribe if you're not. And until next time, bye.